Okay, this is what we're doing. Steve's helping. Isn't that nice of him? Okay, so using this planer, and you can see that got it real down there, even compared to these, where you see the 2x4s. So this is getting it down real smooth. So that's going to look good. That'll have to be sanded, but it's getting there. It's making a little bit of a mess everywhere, but it's getting there. So now we got to sand for a while. We'll see. Okay, so after sanding, you can kind of see, or sanding, you can kind of see this one. I took sawdust and rubbed it across. This is so smooth right now. And rubbed it across and then brushed it all off, like this. And so a lot of what are in these cracks that I showed you earlier is sawdust. But I don't know. Looks dang good right now. I mean, real good. You can see my edges on this. It's actually starting to really look real good. So, all right. Okay, so we turned it over and got this edge cleaned up. Then I planed some on these boards down here, just a couple of passes, just to make it so if somebody looks underneath, they don't see it nasty, ugly side. So this is the front edge here, and it looks much, much, much better. As smooth as ice. And they cracked. So let me tell you what I did. I took some sawdust and I took some sawdust and I laid it like this, and I did like that, just to simulate like what a wood paste might do, and I did like this, and it sure ends up filling in. You can see that gap, but it's really the only one that's real bad right now. So that's where we're stopping for tonight. And Stephen is patiently waiting on me to help him carry this in. It's now inside. And just so you know, I don't believe this is a crack or separating. I believe that it's just boards that didn't align well and had a rough side to this board. I think that's what's really happening there. But this is going to look really, really good. It's very, very smooth, and I'm pretty daggone pleased with all of it. So we'll see what you think tomorrow. By the way, that's what happens whenever you get the planer and you get too close to this edge. It makes this little ripple right there. I tried to sand it out, but it got close, but I don't want to go too far. So that's it. There's Stephen setting him off.